Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to add a range slider with the help of Material UI in React.js. Let's begin the tutorial. So you can see that we have this one. This don't have the values, so we are going to use this is the values like it is 60, 70 or the price slider, or you can say range slider, right? So you can also add this one like this also. Okay, and this one has this is a range slider. You can see from this to that, that is again the range slider of such kind of slider you want, like this and this. So you can also use that one, right? So we're going to use how we are going to add this one. So you can see that we are going to get the value also at the moment. So you can also use this one. Then we have a range slider. So let's add this range slider. How we are going to add the range slider? So I'm going to use this one, copying this, and I'm going to replace with the whole one. So it is export default by app. So let's check about it. So you can see that we have a range slider now. So whatever range you can add it like this one, this range. So currently it's like you can see the value width is something like this. So I'm going to add something over here. Okay, so you can add this kind of range slider in React Native. So I'm going to add this one minus or plus. Actually the number is just like above, so you can also add this inspecting. So height would be like 40. You can add this one height also at the moment, and border radius is there. Padding you can add top. I want the padding, so you can add the padding, and you can just see that the values are say like adding this one. So this you can add like this is a range slider that you can add in your React.js with the help of the Material UI. Okay, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.